and welcome back to TechStack channel. The same thing I had tried in VBA and UiPath, so it's taking some lot of time. So that's why I go with this lookup values. And as of now, you can see this data is 57,000 only, but real time I will get the data around 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs data. Today we'll try to one more different concept. So which we are seeing in the sheet one, we have some data. So which is having around 5,000, 57,000. And when I go and check in sheet 2 data, so I have the couple of data is available. So these things which I has done in UiPath and VBA as well, but it's taking the very lot of time. So I will go with a different approach here. So the concept is, so we have this couple of columns here, year of birth, gender, name, count, rank, and concatenate of these things. So the first one is concatenate of the name and year of the birth, and in the column the concatenate of children name and gender, and final concatenate children name, gender, and rank. So once we have this data is available, and similar the data we have available in the sheet. So now we need to check these three columns. For example, if data is available in this column, okay, then we need to find this rank. Okay, if it is not available in this column, then we need to check in this column. Okay, so accordingly, irrespective of next column also, we need to find out. So if not find this data in any of these columns, so then we need to update the comment as like, so there is no data. So these things I tried with UiPath and VBA as well. So, but here it's taking a lot of time. So now I will go with the normal lookups. So once you updated the lookup here, so we can see this data. Here, what is meant by the lookup? So lookup value is refers to set of functions that allows you to search for a specific value in a table or a range. So we can just consider this like a table or might be the range. Here I am applying the VLOOKUP. So just we need to press first of all equals to. After you can search for the VLOOKUP. So this is a VLOOKUP, and here we need to update the lookup value. So as of now, this is my lookup value, comma, and next step is update the table array. So this is the my table, and next we can see this here column index. So basically my table starts from the here E to H. So here my E is 0, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, E is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here I need to fetch the data column number 4. So that's why I need to give the column number 4. After that, you can see this true approximately match or false. So if it is, if you want to get the exact match, then we need to give the true. I mean 0. If you don't want the exact match, then it will give the 1. And let's close this bracket and hit enter. So we can see this number, we got this number. So now I will go and filter the sheet in the sheet 1 with the number 67. And let me check. So GIA 2011. So let me go and check GIA. So you can see this one, GIA 2011. So we got this data. So now, for example, if I change something here, like one more extra name, so we can see this, we got this error. So it is saying that NA. So if you try to avoid that, then we need to use here, take if error. If error, if it is successful, then this data will available. If it is error, then I will mention it's a data not available. So we can see the data is not available. So after once everything is done, then I will just control D press. So 44, 1, 2. So all data is available here. So here updated only for the one condition. So now let me update for this column B and C as well. So let me take one more if under that VLOOKUP. This is my lookup value, comma, and taking it lookup table. So here I taken the lookup table from F to H. So my index is 3, comma 3, comma 0. After that, I will give 1 comma. Okay, here comma got missed. This is done, and we'll apply it for the similar for the last one. If error and we look up. This is my lookup value, comma lookup table, comma 2, comma 0. After this again, I will keep the comma. So now we can see this data is not available because I have changed some data here. So let me remove and keep the original data, and we can see this plus 2. So let me go and check it with this data. So GA female 67. So let me filter the data with here 2. So we can see this data. Like this, it will applicable for all the things. If in case here we uploaded three VLOOKUPs now, so it will set for the first one. So if data is available in the first one, then it will reflect the first one. If data is not available in the first one, then it will go for the second one. So data is not available in the second as well, it will move to the third one. So if none of them are not available data in any of these not matched, then it will make it as not available. Let me show you here. So let me edit. I will keep this data, and this also I changed. So all are changed. So data is not available. If you see this on the column A, so data has been changed because I've taken here concatenate for the three things. So I not update the same data in the sheet too. And as of now, you can see this data is 57,000 only, but real time I will get the data around 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs data. So that's why I go with this lookup data value. So if you have any doubts, please post in the comment sections. We'll try to explain. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.